Hello everyone, I'm just checking the last resolution for the stream, and I just need to check also how is the sound settings right now. Yeah, everything seems fine so far. Right, I mean at that everything seems okay so far. Did we list it on CodinGame page also? Let me check it. No, we didn't even list it so far in CodinGame page. Okay, but that's fine. Oh, we are listed. Okay. That's nice. I mean, let's complete the start. Everything seems okay. The resolution, Twitch gave us all the possible resolutions for us. And looks like I don't drop any frames right now, so the sound settings seems also okay. Yeah, everything seems right so far. I mean, there are a few people as far as I can see right now, but maybe someone will join. And first of all, I will try to edit my exclamation mark link command. Let's start. I just copy the link and yeah, updated my command so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. I mean, for these times, there are a few people in CodinGame, but maybe someone will join. Let's check it. Akif, hoş geldin, nasılsın? Aynen, bu hafta da korona olmadık. Aman dikkat edin arkadaşlar. Onun şakası yok yani hiç. Bir de şey de demiyor yani genci yaşlısı falan demiyor yani. Mümkün olduğunca şey yapın. Tedbirleri elden bırakmayın yani. Böyle biraz Sağlık Bakanı gibi konuştum ama maalesef gerçekten öyle. Ya ben iyiyim, ben de korona olmadım. Bu hafta da ben de korona olmadım en azından. Yani şey, yayınlar aslında şey ya, şöyle 4-5 gündür falan bir ara vermiştim böyle biraz. Modum da düşüktü açıkçası, böyle pek yayın yapamadım. Dün akşam bir böyle Lichess'te satranç turnuvası falan yaptık, böyle biraz kafayı dağıtmak için dedim. Bugün de tekrar böyle bir şey açtım. Biraz YouTube'la biraz daha fazla ilgilenmeye çalışıyorum bu sürede. YouTube için biraz içerik üretmeye çalışıyorum falan. O biraz daha tabii vakit alıyor normal şeyden. Öyle yani işte, karantina durumu devam ediyor, biraz sıkıcı, biraz moral bozucu. En azından şey, olabildiği kadar, yapabildiğimiz kadar yapıyoruz yani. Peki hadi bakalım, fazla bekletmeyeyim seni de. Bugün ilk flash'ından başlayalım. Böyle arada İngilizce, arada Türkçe konuşuyorum bu arada ama Practice mode. Oh, there is a Alice question. Oops. Most text editor just gives you somewhere to type, but keys your press appear on the screen. Vim is different in the provides model editing, but the key does depends on which mode you are in. In insert mode, everything is pretty straightforward. Typed keys simply appear in the buffer at the current portion. Sahil, welcome. Yeah, I mean streaming. I mean it's not too early for Turkey. I mean it's 2:24 p.m. right now, but I will try to make maybe some chess tournament on Lichess tonight Also, yesterday we completed one of the chess tournaments here, and maybe we stream chess tonight again. I mean, I don't know. But on weekends I also try to stream in early with these hours. I mean, since there is a quarantine right now, I try to stream 2 times on weekends. In normal mode, however, keys will be instead perform various actions rather than inserting text. There are hundreds of Vim commands, but for this problem, we will use just for all of which simply enter insert mode at different locations. I at the beginning of the line, A at the end of the line, little I to the left of the character underscore, smaller I to the right of the character underscore, under the cursor. Consider following line highlighted indicated where normal mode. Okay. And our cursor is over the D. The diagram shows where each of the commands places of the cursor after inserting mode. What are the other ones? Okay, A means the new line here. Oh no, at the end of the line. Oh, this one. Oh, okay. And other test cases. I should be the insert is one. Okay. What is big A here? Is there any meaning of big A here? Will be used to represent the escape key, which returns the normal mode, and oh, this one returns the escape key. Press normal mode and place the cursor over the character to the left. Aynen, bu adam çıldırmış. Aa, Alice yani gayet normal. I mean, that's a quite hard problem to solve, I mean. Maybe that's not too much hard, but somehow you just need to properly manipulate. I mean, I don't know, honestly. Maybe we just need to change the behavior when we see that character as a sorry, as a string, and this one is a special case here. Yeah, but I mean, since Alice asked this, I mean, I'm not too much confident for myself to solve this one. No, I mean, since it's a Holly's contribution, I think it's normal to that I can solve this one. I mean, I'm not sure. Yeah, I mean, this was really hard. Yeah. Sahil solved this 80%. Mod -1 cursor is 0, exceeding false. Foreign keys and exceeding false, mod -1 continue. If you solve this one, exceeding true, elf mod is equal -1. Mod is a cursor land cursor line. Yeah, I mean, but complicated for all the things. I think it's quite hard to solve this one in 15 minutes probably, for me at least. I don't know how you think, but it's really hard for me. Okay, thanks for the Alice for such a hard question. Okay, let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and updated my comments, so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. Tamamdır, Akif nasıl istersen. Alice, welcome. I mean, for me, I am speaking for myself. I think it's quite hard. It's doable, but I don't know, not in 15 minutes. At least for me, I mean. I don't know how you think, but at least for me, it's not doable. But I'm not saying I think it's a very nice question. Lopidov, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Sahil joined. A private clash affecting the ranking? Probably not. As far as I know. Alice also joined, welcome. Okay, Lopidov, however you want. Okay, we are now 4 players. No, Alice, I think explicit. I mean, it was very clear question. Question was very clear, I think, but I don't know. I'm not perfectly think it very well, honestly. Okay, let's launch the clash. We are now 4 people right now. Given an overlapping fragments of Shakespeare code, rebuild the original code. Each fragment can be only used at once. All the fragments must be used, and there's always one solution. Love all, trust a few. Do wrong to none. Okay. Abi bu bizim işimiz ya. İşimiz olarak görüyoruz bunu yani. Online olarak mı? Düşünebilirim. Alice already solved this one. Hmm. Bruteworks works for this one. Oh, okay. Abi bir mail atarsan şeyleri konuşabiliriz, detayları konuşacak. Oh my goodness. But what is the proper way to like this one? How should I know which wise should I get here? Şeyde blogumda yazıyor. Blogumda hakkımda kısmına sonergönül.net'te blogumda hakkımda kısmında yazıyor mail. How can I know this one starts and ends with? For example, okay, I started all the uppercase letters as a first one, but how should I know which wise, starting with wise sentence, should I continue? Sihirli refleksler, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. So it's always start with uppercase letters, that's fine, but for all the possible this ones, maybe I should need to check Rare Start belki satranç yayını yaparız gene akşama, dün akşam yaptığımız gibi. Looks like C# doesn't let you get all the permutations. Yeah, permutations, I mean, in C# it's out of the list, out of the box, but it's somewhat easy to implement. Crow, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Sihirli refleksler, Zamarin kullanabilirsiniz. Zamarin bayağı bir şey, hatta bu şeyle ilgili kitaplar var Zamarin'le ilgili. Direkt Microsoft Press'in kitapları vardı yanlış hatırlamıyorsam. Onlardan kullanabilirsin. Onlardan Xamarin olanları kullanabilirsin. Xamarin şeklinde, ilk Xamarin şeklinde yazarsan onunla ilgili kitaplar bulabilirsin mesela. Um, I probably couldn't solve this one in 6 minutes either, but Crow aslında şey, hani sektörde iş bulma ihtimali bence yine aynıdır ya. Hiç yani, ya birçok kişi şey yapar, hani bunun bazı firmalar şey istiyorlar mesela, işte ne bileyim 4 yıllık bilgisayar mühendisliği şeyinden mezun falan gibi, hani bu tarz şeyler istiyorlar. Özellikle Türkiye'de birçok firma bunu istiyor. Hani eğer okumadıysan zaten öyle bir şey, hani yazılım mühendisliği, bilgisayar mühendisliği, matematik mühendisliği veya vesaire o tarz bir şey okumadıysan birçok firma şey istiyor, bununla ilgili bir üniversite eğitimi almış olmanı bekliyor aslında. Ama şey olarak hiç geç değil yani. İnsanlar 60 yaşında, 70 yaşında ne bileyim programlama öğrenip mesela Store'a oyun ya da işte Android, Google Play'e veya iOS Store'a şey yazabiliyorlar, oyun yazabiliyorlar mesela. Hani öğrenebilme şeyin evet, belki genç birine göre belki daha az, daha yavaş olabilir ama eğer düzenli olarak kullanırsan, düzenli olarak pratik yaparsan bu tarz şeylerde ben şey olacağını düşünmüyorum, hani genç biriyle yaşlı birinin arasında seçim yapılacağını veya aynı olsalar bile, tabii bence de genç birini seçmek daha mantıklı olabilir ya da farklı tecrübelerde, farklı şeylerde tecrübe etmiş insanlarda mesela e, hani tamamen şey, iş yerinin aslında nasıl bir işe alım politikası belirlediğine göre değişebiliyor. O yüzden bence iş bulma ihtimalin hani düşük olur, şey olur falan diye kesinlikle düşünmemeni tavsiye ederim bu konuda. Hani yazılıma olan ilgin arttıysa belli bir şeylerden mesela kitap alıp başlayabilirsin programlama öğrenmeye. Veya internette ücretsiz birçok kurs var. Bizde YouTube kanalında mesela ünlem YouTube yazarak muhtemelen komanda vardı. Orada şey yapıyoruz. Mesela C Sharp eğitimi yapmıştık, Go eğitimi yapmıştık. Eee, Başka ne eğitimi yapmıştık? Ha, bir de Learn How to Code eğitimi yaptık mesela, programlamanın temelleri gibi bir eğitim falan yapmıştık mesela. Eee, O tarz şeyler yapmıştık. Link yasak arkadaşlar, link. Ünlem YouTube değil de ünlem social yazarsan daha bulabilirsin. Link yasak chatte arkadaşlar. Bir bakalım. Türkçe yani arkadaşlar bu tarz kitapları olduğunca Türkçe okumamaya çalışın ya. Yani kaliteli yayınlar hepsi İngilizce. Yani olarak tavsiye etmem. Yani tavsiye edip etmeme değil. Yani gerçekten bu işin mesela John Skeet'in mesela C Sharp In Depth adında kitabı var. Gerçekten çok güzeldir. Atıyorum yine C Sharp 4.0 Programming Language Essentials diye bir var. Kitap vardır mesela, hatta Eric Lippert'in de böyle katkıda bulunduğu şeyler vardır. Hani bu kitapları okumanızı tavsiye ederim aslında, hani ya da C Sharp için aslında genel programlama içinse mesela gerçekten yani Google'a sorun mesela en iyi JavaScript kitabı ya da JavaScript öğrenmek için ya da işte Python öğrenmek için mesela. Hani bunlarla ilgili bir sürü şey bulursunuz. Kitapları ne bileyim ratinglerine göre, Amazon ratinglerine göre karşılaştırabilirsiniz veya zaten belli başlı en iyi JavaScript kitabı şeklinde yazdığınızda da zaten bayağı bir sonuç gelecektir Google'dan. Onlardan birini alıp okuyup tekrar edip pratik yapıp bizim böyle yayınlarda yaptığımız gibi mesela düzenli pratikler yaparak, düzenli şeyler yaparak aslında hani programlama becerinizi de arttırabilirsiniz. Okay, I am completely ignored this one, by the way, since I'm on the chat most of the time. Oops, not play all test cases. I should submit it. I think it's a fun question, but the difficulty not that hard, but perfect probably. Okay, let's check how to solve this one. Um, the permutation of all the strings here. Okay. Find S, which is R called array. Each counts as a 2. Wait a second, I don't get this one. I try to understand this one. Wait a second. Okay, this one is all the 2 pairs probably. 2 pairs strings, which is sum of the parts at the end of the one of it, and is equal to sum of the first part at the end of the other ones. For every permutation, I check to see if there is some number n such that for each pair of elements that the last n characters of the first equal the first n characters of the second. Okay, I keep track of those n's in case we have found such a permutation to avoid having to calculate them again. Hints, hello, welcome. But Alice, how can you check that? For example, is there's a for the second test case, if I remember correctly, there is a 2 strings start with the same character, wise probably. How can I check the? How can I see the? How can I should check the? Which one is the perfect fit for the previous one? There's a two strings starts with the same characters, but how can I know that I should append which one for the previous one? Okay, you find all of them here as far as I can see. SP9, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. But there's only one combination where it's true for all pairs. Oh, you just find all combinations that supports all of them. Aha. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's very nice. Yeah, I mean, in C# there's no such a thing as a like a permutation. Thanks to Ruby again. I mean, that's very nice actually. Okay, Sahil solved it 50% and Lopidao solved it 25%. That's nice. So even there are several that match. If you pick the wrong one, you won't able to find matches all the way to the end. Oh, okay, now I see. You can find the perfect combination for that supports for all the no, not the combination, permutation for all the strings pairs that works for the that rule. Espinal, hoş geldin. Oh, okay. How can I solve this one in C? I don't know, maybe I should check after the stream probably. Maybe some kind of easy way, maybe some of the... There's no built-in way as far as I know in C# like that. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash, let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command so you can type ! link to the chat to get the current link. But I will definitely look at the after the stream. I mean, this was very nice idea. Maybe I will try to solve this one later. You don't necessarily have to generate all the permutations. You can still use a binary number to try all possible combinations. Binary number? What does that mean? You can still use a binary number to try all possible combinations. I'm not sure I understand your sentence. Binary number to try all possible combinations. I think it's a technique we have seen before in your channel. Really? I can't remember right now if I even saw this one before. Maybe, as you say, I mean, I can't remember honestly. There's unfactorial possible combinations, you are right, and you can use a number to keep the track of which selection of elements to try next. Sean, welcome. Okay, we are now 6 player. Let's launch the clash. How to say reverse mode? Oh, it's not. Oh. I thought for the first test case, I thought it was a look and say sequence, but it's not. Oh, I found. Um. Hmm. Um. Turbine. Need to concat. So, no, I don't need to. Yeah, exactly. You can say seconds, but it's a little bit easier. I just need to maybe order for all the digits like that, and yeah, I mean. What's the proper way to do it? Because even if it appears more than once, I shouldn't write it more than once. Vars, maybe. For each vars in. If in chart be here, I shouldn't even do anything. I should pass the next character because yeah, I just need, maybe I just don't even need this one. If not in this character, and I just need to write string interpolation like that. Character is equal C, and its count, and no, not the count, character itself, which is C. And I should also add in chart and C, which I shouldn't write the multiple times for the that occurs more than once. Let's play all test cases. Yeah, basically sorted look eser, exactly. Bora hoş geldin. Selamlar. That's nice. It's passed all the test cases. That's great. So I can submit it. Is there any way that I can solve this one without even a list? I mean, in somehow I need to check the, but maybe in somehow I need to find the, I need to know actually that if I solve the current character in the past or not. Maybe if it's fun. No, it's not. Alright. Sahil Pins Lopira also solved this one. I didn't need any state. So maybe I should. But if I should get its distinct volume, since you are sorting, you only see runs of the same characters. Wait a second, you are solving, you will only see runs of the same characters. Oh, maybe I just need to, oh, you're right. You are right. Maybe I just need to counter for the every in for each loop myself. Yeah, maybe I just need to define a counter and the character itself. Whenever I saw in the list, scene char list, I just need to increment the counter. Whenever I saw a different character for the current ones, I just need to write the count of it and the character itself, probably. Yeah, you're right. Sean and Sunflow still clashing. Ruby koduna bakalım hemen. Chunk while AB map. Alice to be playing golf and just trying to get a solution, yeah. And it's only 3.5 minutes left right now. That's nice. Lahidran pins also solved this one in Python. Lapidav solved this one in JavaScript. Sunflow also solved this one in JavaScript. That's nice. We are only waiting for the Sean right now. It often comes out looking an absolute mess, but it's not the pretty smooth, yeah. Regex-based approach, which one? Oh, Sean this one, 50%. We should check his code. Is this prints for the prints also for duplicate values? Is this not? I mean, I don't see any. For example, what is the print end here? Why do I need this one? Same as yours, but could duplicated output? Yeah, probably. Yeah, okay. I mean, I just need to, maybe this is probably not the best solution based on other people in the clash. I mean, I just need to sort a string as a string for every character, and I created scene charts list here. If it is not scene charts, that means I should keep the scene charts for the not write more than once for the duplicate characters in the string. That's why I need to write the count and the character itself and edit that character to that list. So I won't write it for the second time that I solve this one. Not the previous one, as you said, but I mean, it passed all the test cases at least. Okay, that's fine. Let's back to home here. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command. So you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. We are now 8 players right now. That's nice. Anka, welcome. Enes, welcome. Okay, we are now 8 players. That's nice. Let's launch the clash. Let's not wait for too much. Alexito, welcome. You must order provided string of the characters in alphabetical order with uppercase before the lowercase. Then special characters must be put at the end of the ends in the order of their appearance in a string. Space should be ignored. So in here, maybe I just need to do arrays for the For example, they can give you digits or something. They don't have any digits. Okay, and maybe upper new int 26 and var lower is new int 26 for each c in 3. If letter if upper that means upper, which index should I increase? C minus a plus plus, else lower c minus lowercase a plus plus. Okay, after that I have to erase which case the uppercase or lowercase letters here. First of all, maybe we just need to clean all the white space here, since space should be ignored. So at the end, maybe I think concat 3 I can't use this one, right? Okay, this one should write the last one if there is a non-letter character in the string. So first of all, I just need to, maybe is the lower ones are for var 0 and 20 plus plus. How many times did I need to write, for example, if for I isn't equal to 0, right? How many times new string with that character? How many times upper I? But which character should I write here? For the uppercase, for example, yeah, just need to charge I plus a. This should work, I think. Also, if I just need to do the same thing for the lowercase also, since the uppercase will write before the lowercase. Lower I is not equal 0. That means I need to find the that corresponds that index in the alphabet. In lower I times, yeah. This should work probably. Let's play all test cases. But it's really that low. Okay, that's nice. That's all the test cases, so I can submit it. Aki Alice solved this one. It's fun question. Difficulty perfect statements and test case redundancy are ideal. Programmer, welcome. That's okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not even trying to understand this one. I probably couldn't understand. I'm totally passing right now. Sahil, 60%. Oh, you already discussed this one probably. You weren't supposed to sort the special chart, said Alice. Oh, you also... Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah, it's a bad idea to read it. I mean, it tried even... I'm not familiar with a little bit JavaScript, but yeah, you're right. Ah, you grouped special characters. Oh. Okay, we have 4 minutes left, and there are still 5 people still clashing. By the way, why CodinGame streamers page doesn't even show how many viewers right now? I mean, I'm just looking at the 18 viewers on the dashboard of the Twitch, but in CodinGame page it says it doesn't even say, it doesn't even load the page. What's going on here? Well, only one spectator. In CodinGame streamers, live streamers page, we have only one spectator. That's weird, I mean... Maybe some bug or in probably Twitch API. I talked to Thibaut for that. I mean, sometimes they are really late to list, maybe 10-15 minutes. Since 20%, what happened? Oh, you just get all the lowercase here. Probably this one's the problem. Don't know. I mean, isn't this one to generate all of the inputs here as a lowercase? I mean, what does this one do probably? Oops. Just to sort them as a lower, not to map them though. Okay, this one's probably right. Let's check Alice code. We didn't check Alice code. Delete these ones. Delete. Oh, not these ones. Delete. Not. I mean, that's a very nice usage, by the way. Need to delete that. Doesn't have between any letter. Try sort by uppercase order. Ordinal value of the uppercase version of the character. Oh. Not enough time, yeah. You probably was late, that's why the problem. Okay, that's nice. And yeah. Exito still clashing. Probably will also complete this one. I mean, that depends on a lot of things, but in C# I think I just created two array uppercase to keep in and lowercase letters here. First of all, I just need to ignore all the white spaces, and then to complete all the these ones in for each loop here is if it is uppercase letter, I just need to increase its indexed based index value, which is uppercase like that. If it is not, that means I have to increase the lowercase index, which is the keep the that letter count in the string. So I just need to iterate forward all the arrays in the same time. I just need to check if the current uppercase count isn't 0. I just need to write that character with that times. And I also did the same thing for the lower case letters. And at the end, I also need to write not letters at the same thing, which is filtering for the current string, which is char is letter method. So not char is letter method, as you can see here. So I just need to concatenate all of them and write it also console. Oh, that's nice. We are now 9 players. Atomic, welcome. Aynen öyle yapamadık. Moral bozmak yok kesinlikle. Okay, we are now 9 players. Let's launch the clash. Oof. Another long. Given a list and different integers with each of those integers representing a day in the day of the year. Format again 1 January 33 February 2nd. Your task is to output the maximum number of those days that can simultaneously be weekends. Weekdays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Taking these days 1, 4, 5, and 6 as an example, if the January 1 first falls on a Friday, then days 1, 4, 5, and 6 would fall in Friday, Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, respectively. In this case, the exception is 4. On the other hand, taking these days 1, 3, 5, and 6 as an example, at least one of these will always fall at the weekend, regardless of which day of the week as of January 1st falls. Weekdays. Oh. Okay. The maximum number of pins you put something that doesn't link probably, but the bot thinks it's a link. You probably something dot something, right? You can still type it right now, right? I mean, you should type it. Maybe I just need to untime out. Yeah, you should type it right now. A very nice question, actually. So, this brute force. But how can I solve this one? For example, starting with 1 here. 1 to 7 for 6 and 7. If it is divisible by 6 and 7, that means these are the weekends. brute force work here? I mean, I should have tried this headphone in white space. Oh my goodness. Does a brute force solution work here to calculate all the possible days here and Saffron Brick, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. 4 days. Maybe first of all, our list in new list, and I should get all of them in a list. List sort. The sort to list, which is smaller to bigger ones, and so what is the proper way to calculate like this ones? For example, if I give the every day starting with 1 number to 7, if it is divisible by 7 or 6, these are should be the weekends. But is there any better way to solve this one? Is list select I is I minus list mean 2 plus 1 to this. So the first one will always be 1 here, and then goes on. So for incremented all the values, maybe I should check the how many times I've seen it. I've seen it, which is number divisible by, not divisible by 6 or 7. This should work, I think. Yeah, this should work probably. Var min is int max value, or var is less 0, e less than I mod 7 isn't 0, and the count of them. Right, I just need to find how many numbers that are in the weekdays for that. Yeah, then in here, first of all, is my list is list select I is I plus 1. Let's increase all of them. Also select like this one. List. And my min value is mat min, which is the min value, and the list itself the count of weekdays, like that. And after all of them, I should print the min value here. Let's play all test cases. It didn't work for the second one. For other ones, oops. For starting with 2, it will be 3, but oh, that's not the case here. Wait a second. It's not divisible by 6 or 7. It is divisible by 7, but not always divisible by 6 here. As a mod 7 should not be equal 6. Yeah, this is the probably right way to do it. Okay, let's play test case again. No, really? Single day and 3 days. Not 5 days. This won't work. Why? I always get the minimum one. I increased all of them. I don't get this one, why it wouldn't work. Bura şunu anlatıyor aslında soruda. Sana diyor bazı indekslerde şeyler verilmiş, günler verilmiş. Bu günlerden diyor hangisinden 1 Ocak'tan başlanarak bu günlerde gün sayısı olarak işte mesela 1 Ocak şeklinde verilmiş. İşte 33 mesela 2 Şubat şeklinde oluyor. Bir artırarak gidildiğinde. Diyor ki en fazla diyor bu şeylerden diyor ben hangi günü verirsem en fazla hafta içi gün sayısını elde ederim burada. Burada ondan bahsetmiş aslında. Yani 7, 8, 9, 18 verildiğinde mesela 7. günlere ben hangi 1 Ocağı hangi günü verildiğimde bu sayılardaki şeyler maksimum sayıda hafta içi günü olur. But I didn't understand why this one won't work here. I don't get it, honestly. This one should work? Oh, it's... Can I get maximum one here? Wait a second. Oh, it's not the case. The maximum value. I mean, I don't know, honestly. I just submitted. 66%. Where's my mistake? This is a find question, honestly. Difficulty is perfect, statement case and test case limits are ideal. I thought you were so close, but I did the same thing. I mean, I still don't get it. Where is my mistake? So here, I just need to add all the numbers to that list. I sorted them, and I increased all of them with starting with 1, which is the minimum value. Get the minimum value here, and decrease it with the current element, and we start with 1. So my minimum value is here, which is the this is the Saturday, which is the index of the if if the number is mod 7 isn't equal to 6, or mod 7 is equal to 0, isn't equal to 0. That means I just completed count the weekdays count with that. So after all the iterations here, I just increased with all the values itself, and I calculated the maximum value with the same case. Where is my exact mistake here? Where is my mistake? Where did I failed? Did anyone see my mistake here? I mean, I can see probably. Maybe I can't see something very obvious here. Alice, these are just the, I just need to, for example, I have some 7, 8, 9. I just need to iterate all of them to base it on 1. 1, 2, 3. So 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, and so goes on. 6 is the Saturday, and 7 is the Sunday. So I just need to get, with this one, I just need to get with all the weekdays actually. If it is not Saturday or Sunday, I should select the other ones and get the count here. The issue is probably that you have that fixed mapping. Shouldn't you start with 0 indexing? I mean, that won't be the problem, because I just need to count 0 to, sorry, not 1 to 7 for all the weekdays, starting with Monday to Sunday, and increase with them with 6 times iteration here. If I iterate 7 times, it will be itself. There was nothing about the problem that made on Monday. You basically had to consider that Monday could be equal anything from 0 to 6. Exactly. I mean, I thought, I tried to decide my Monday is 1 and the Sunday is 7. So I need to iterate for all the 6 times iteration for all the possible values here, and I should get the maximum one how many times, which is the I should write it very bad way, honestly. This variable should be max, and list it is the same case for the weekdays count and get the maximum of them, and at the end I should write minimum one. We don't have any information about what the day of the week of the year sorted on. Yeah, I mean, I can't see my problem here, honestly. Yeah, okay, that's fine. I mean, I couldn't see perfectly, but looks like there's a problem in my code. The Aruna, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. What is 2 pipes doing here? It's a logical OR, exactly. It was some kind of weekend check, exactly, which is, I checked the 6 and 7 is my Saturday and Sunday, and I try to check if, I try to filter actually. Maybe not the filter. Oh, maybe I should filter there. Maybe I shouldn't write. Oh, you're right. Maybe that was my problem. I should use maybe. Oh, you're right, Lopido, you're right. Yeah, that was my mistake. I shouldn't use logical OR here. I should use logical AND in there. Yeah, you're right. That was my problem. Okay, we have now 8 players. Let's launch the clash. Marco, welcome. So what's going on here? Why my browser? What happened? My browser just freezed, honestly. Oh, okay. And yeah, now it works. Wow, people are so fast. Kayux, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Is this one question? What is test case 3 so waiting so far? What is going on here? Another one I could done in white space. Yeah, I have no idea why test case 3 waiting for so long. Let's play the test case 4 also. Is my browser have some problem right now? That's weird. I mean, okay, stop all. Let's play all test cases again. I mean, it doesn't even stop for the test cases, as you can see here. Brenonic, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Oh, there's something with CodinGame servers? I mean, oh, okay. Now it's past the free test case 3, and I mean, I don't know, maybe some weird things happening. Maybe rush for the fall challenge? I mean, it might be. Okay, passed all the test cases, so I can submit it. I think that's good that you haven't submitted yet. I mean, I already forget it. I just checking for the other things on my laptop. Since my browser freezed, I mean, I didn't get it honestly. It's technical as Zappa often try to clash in BF. What is BF here? But it seems it's hard. A lot of stuff is missing BF. What is BF here? Technique has everything you need, but what is tricky to make it? Oh, brain fuck. Oh, okay. Oh, I know brain fuck also. What is the best practice for studying C sharp? I mean, I'm not sure honestly. You can ask it with Google for that. Okay, let's share my code. There's only 2 people here, Marco and Pins, still clashing. Maybe they have just also problems for like me. And yet theoretically capable of doing everything Python can. But not in 15 minutes, yeah. Int couldn't solve this one, Pins. Yeah, it has some weird server problem, I think, while we are still solving it. Oh, pins also submitted. Oh, he tried to solve in Java. So uppercase? That's the that's not the uppercase probably. It's the lowercase, right? Yeah, the count lowercase, not the uppercase pins. Java skills, yeah. Yeah, programmer, you just need to take shower for every day. I mean, another savage mode. Take a fast bath, yeah. Okay, let's back to home. It was an easy question. I mean, let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. I mean, I just need to get a coffee for myself. Need a few minutes. Okay, I'm back with a coffee. I'm totally gonna start creating coffees. Yeah, exactly. Using raw coffees is burning them through your own coffee. Asya'nın kanalı, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, let's wait too much people. We are all 9 players right now. Let's launch the clash. Something like that. Just no, it sounds way better than making them. I mean, I'm not too much coffee person, but maybe I will drink 1 cup in a week, maybe 2 cups at most. Sometimes I just really like to drink it. A number hunter counts of hunters hunt a number duck counts of ducks. They each use to shoot 1 duck. 2 or more hunters can shoot at the same duck. How many ducks are still alive after hunters shooting? What? Wait a second, I didn't get understand it. A whole number of hunter counts. There's a 2 hunter here. A whole number duck of 3 ducks. The index of duck shot by each hunter and number of. Oh, these are the index of ducks. Oh, okay. Now I understand, I think. Right? Ducks. Count like that and put in the dice. These are the index of the counts, right? Okay. And ducks. Oops. Good. Duck is 1. And how many ducks are still alive? Which is 0. Still 0. It's I is 0. Let's play all test cases. So many strong players are clashing. Really? Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I mean, okay, I can submit it. That's nice. Even we have right now 22 viewers. I mean, that's very nice. It is fun. It's a fun question. I think it's somewhat easy to not probably easy to understand for non-native English speakers, but I understand it at the end. So it's perfectly statements and test case relevancy are ideal. Loop it up 75%. I mean, if you share your code, we can check it. So what's wrong with it? We can always look other people's code also. There is 5 people who are in top 200. Really? I mean, that's nice. Q also level 24. Let's check Lupinav's what's wrong with it. Top 200 on the Clash leaderboard, of course. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I get it. What is Z here? Z at the end, you adjust. Oh, replace that one. But for example, for the 1, for example, you just need to replace it like that. For the 1, you just replaced also 11, since it is, you just need to, I mean, isn't that work like that? For example, you just need to, probably, for example, when you replace with 1, with empty string, you also replace 11 also if it's already. Yeah, that might be the case. Exactly. Okay, only programmer and delicodes in here. Alice, by the way, if you have a link to that plugin, you can whisper me so I can share with the chat also. I mean, no, don't do it, man. Okay, I just yeah, you can whisper me so I can share with the chat. Sorry about that. You know, my bots are always aggressive about spamming. It's not spamming, of course, but yeah, I get it. And I just copy the link and Alice, let's say Alice's, is it something like that? I mean, Alice's leaderboard plugin. No, I can post it also in the Twitch chat. Oh my god, I almost forget it, by the way. I mean, Pastebin is blocked in Turkey. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, yeah. I just figured out this Pastebin blocked in Turkey. I mean, what a shame. Yeah, I posted in the Twitch chat, by the way. Is there any other there's a Clash chat here? I mean, you mean the Discord, right? There's a Clash chat here. This one, last one. I mean, I already passed it. Yeah, as as you can see here, I mean, if I try to go to Pastebin, it will be blocked in Turkey. I mean, what can I say? Yeah, as you can see here. That sucks. Anyway, let's who is this? Churus, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. What is happening here? I mean, what? I just hit a link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. I'm curious why they decided to block access to Pastebin. I mean, I'm not perfectly remember the law, which law based blocked by which law, but maybe some of the links or sharing links, sharing texts in Pastebin, if I remember. I remember it very flu, but I'm not sure honestly. Yeah, maybe they just need to find the, for example, you can, you just need to try to reach the Pastebin and get the people's IP address who you think try to break your laws. Maybe you just sue them, but not the environment itself. I mean, what is this? It is 2020 right now. I mean, that's just bullshit. Nothing more. Okay, we have now 9 players. That's nice. X3, thanks for the raid, man. I really appreciate that. X3 is raiding with party of 24. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Welcome all. Oh my goodness, X3, you know, another CodinGame streamer. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Welcome all. My name is Soner Gönül and I'm a software developer from Turkey, if you don't know me yet. And yeah, I mean, I just solve in our streams we usually solve CodinGame Clash of Codes problems, as you can see here. You always get the current Clash link, exclamation mark link to the chat, so you can get always the current link. And Hex3, how is your stream, by the way? Hope you're a great stream. Thanks for the follow also, welcome back. Thank you so much for the raid again. We are just solving some of the private clashes in CodinGame also, as you already know probably. Oh, you are doing the fall challenge probably. Okay, we have a, by the way guys, welcome all. I mean, again, welcome again, and we have a little bit contest in here. Also, you can type exclamation mark contest to the chat to get the Glimaya link, and you can we have a draw tomorrow, and one viewer will get the which Udemy course they want. So you can type exclamation mark link to the contest. Currently in silver link in Python, hoping to for gold by the end of the day. Oh, that's nice. That's great. That's very nice. Yeah, as you can type it here, and we have a little bit contest. So there's a Glimaya link in the chat, so you can join doing some small tasks and get a chance to win a Udemy course you want. We have a draw tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow fall challenge ends, as you know. We are now 10 players, less than. Nice. Write a program that takes a string S and for each character prints the following response. If the character is an uppercase letter, then print out all the uppercase letters before it. For example, C, ABC. Print out. Okay. If char is upper C, else if char is lower C, and else I assume the else part should be digits. Okay. Abit982, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. So, how can I write perfectly or before all the characters itself here? Maybe I should write enable repeat like that. No, not enable repeat here. No, I just need to maybe a simple for loop. Yeah, I mean, oops. Oh, starting with 0. Okay, for the digits starting with 0. Not the 1. RIP servers, exactly. I mean, there are still... I mean, I can't even test this simple test case here. Yeah, servers are really bad. Maybe we should write in on... I mean, maybe I should write to Thibaut or Bolga on the Discord channel also. Yeah, I can submit it. It passed, but I can't even submit it. Okay, final submitted. Let me write properly, for example, and Thibaut and EG, who are the online right now? Bogo is on the all side. Hello, is there link on CodinGame servers? I'll solve this one in 1 minute also. It's only pins and telecords left. That's nice. A lot of people, probably all of them, solve this one is a perfect way. Is the web stay extremely sluggish for anyone else? I'm waiting for my test run the minutes here. It's the same atomic, it's the same. There's probably something related for the CodinGame servers here. Discord seems to indicate that they are in fact dealing with the backlog for all fall challenge submissions. Ah, yeah, probably. Oh, that's nice. I mean, Pins is away. Maybe he's AFK. I mean, I don't know. Oh, just ringing. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Maybe I thought you are on the AFK or something. You just maybe leave. Since you are quite fast for the previous flashes.
Please don't make me go back to LA. I don't care where you go, Bojack, but I can't have you around here.
What is the music?
Okay.
That's weird. I mean, is this the part of the music? Oh, you are doing Java. Oh, you're right. You're right. No, when you try to solve in Java, I mean, you try to improve your Java skills also. Yeah. This fun difficulty is perfect. Test case and relevancy are ideal. Let me submit pins 40%. A bit of BoJack Horseman never hurts anyone, exactly. With the digits, I think. What is AND here? AND? Oh, integer value of it. Uh, I didn't see it. See a equal missing. Where is equal missing? Oh, in this one probably. E is less equal C probably. Yeah, this one probably, yeah. Oh, that's nice. I mean, Delicourt couldn't solve this one in Java. Struggle with like that. Okay, you can check the pin solution. I mean, you just not did this ones, for example. E should be less equal than C. So that's nice. For Sonar, I guess it's easy to read. It's almost same as C Sharp, I think. Exactly. It's more readable for me, honestly, for Java code. It's almost all the things are object oriented and easy to read, to understand, and at least. That's nice. Let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. Oh my god, I just figured out that I missed drinking coffee. When I last time drinking coffee, I mean, I couldn't even remember, honestly. Maybe a month ago. Might be. I'm not too much coffee person, but I always drink. I mean, water is definitely my favorite drink of all time. Prometheus, welcome. First time to see you, I think, here. We have now 11 players right now, that's nice. Why no shortest mod? Oh my goodness, you are gossiping about me, right? Because Solar uses C#. Oh my goodness, Alice. No, I mean, I honestly don't like the shortest mod. That's nothing related with me, but official Prometheus, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I mean, if we try to get some experience, then you are definitely in the right place, my friend. You are definitely in the right place. No, I mean, that's... Yeah, that's not the case, honestly. I mean, because I use C#. That's why, I mean... yeah, I don't like it. I mean, I write as I can properly, but... for example, thinking for the beginners, who start to learn programming, I mean, they are not... What I write code in the shortest mode will not be readable for the other people. So I care how much... I honestly care this much too much, actually. The people have spoken. It's not fast, it's different from a lot of other people too. So you just need to stop my chat and you just to chat here. I mean, okay, we all need. Okay, I will close this one. I'm not looking at this one, honestly. Okay, let's launch the clash here. There are now 12 people. Lap, welcome. Oh my goodness. I still can't see this one while still clashing. Yeah. Chat is loading. Oh yeah, I can see. Okay, I mean, if you solve this, if you solve also in shorts mode, I mean, next clash will be also includes also shorts mode. I mean, as I always say, you are the one of the reasons that I can stream for Clash of Code. And I think it's the way the people, if people on the chat, in people who join my stream will also wants to solve in shorts mode. I mean, who am I to judge? You have, okay, let's focus on the question. You have a list of speeds and distances as an input, and you must find the shortest travel time. Distances as an input, and you must speed and distance. Okay, well that seems maybe I shouldn't use this here. Or double mean, like something like that. Shortest travel time is int max value. Oh, that's not. Oh, it works like. And mean is mat mean. Mean itself, and which one is the distance? Speed. First one is speed. Second one is distance. And both of them. Let's change it to floating point division, and e divided by s, right? And I should write mean as an answer. Let's play all test cases. The servers are still slow. I mean, let me check. None of the CG stuff and administrator so respond me on the Discord so far. What? List of speeds and distances as input, and you must find the shortest travel time. Speed, distance. Oh, as a minute then. Oh. Round the closest integer, then at round mean multiple times 60. Yeah, round, not round. Little test case again. That is perfect, so I can submit it. That's nice, so people are already solved this one. Oops, where is Alice? Alice is still clashing? Yeah, probably a server issue he is facing on. Yeah, he's probably some server issue. It's a fun difficulty. I think it's kind of easy. Statements and test case relevancy are ideal. Once I saw Atomic had one, I thought about doing it white space, but it doesn't have floating point. Oh, okay. I always mistake round followers. I mean, gotta go. Sahil, see you, bye. I always mistake round of deal. I mean, it's kind of easy for some of the programming languages. I mean, they don't have. You are gonna miss the goals. Yeah, in 9 minutes we have a shortest mode also. Since you want this, I always use the shortest mode, but the system does not guarantee the will only the will get the shortest one. You have 93. You have no, not 90, 33% to get a chance. Pum, pum. Programmer 75%. Why? Oh, round ceiling, as you said. Oh, okay. By the way, guys, we try to. I think you got a bit of Python's non-standard running here. Bit by probably yeah. By the way, guys, you can select only sort when creating a new private collection. Yeah, I mean, of course I can select, but since you are only really wants the shortest mode, I mean, I don't like the short. But since okay, we are solving shortest mode for the rest of the stream. I mean, no, but it doesn't make it fair. I mean, we have to select all of them, including short span, and let's the randomization decide. Let's play one. Okay, let's next one will be only the shortest then. Okay. Democracy prevails, yeah. Chaos reigns. By the way, guys, we probably play. I mean, I don't know how many of are you interested in chess. I mean, at night yesterday we tried to create some bullet tournaments in the stream, and if you wanna join, also we also played for the tonight. I mean, on lichess.org we play a bullet tournament. I mean, if you are familiar with chess or you try to improve yourself, and you can always join. I will chess stream. Yeah, exactly, Alice. Chess stream. And I will probably will chess stream for tonight. I mean, it's not really long, honestly, and my browser seems frozen sometimes when I play the chess, honestly. But I mean, it's okay. It will be very fun. Bullet is weird. Bullet is not weird actually, but for example, if I try to play more bullets, I will get boring when I try to play 5 minutes or 3 minutes, honestly. It's fun, but it definitely takes something from the game. I agree. I completely agree with this. I mean, some of the grandmasters even say bullet is the killing your chess strategy or other things as well. I mean, bullet is not chess. Some of them say it. Bullet is not the real chess. Why this one is deleted also? Don't wait for me, by the way. Okay. And Lap and Count Ören still clashing here. How many minutes we have left? We have less than 5 minutes right now. I mean, if you don't solve this or you can give up, you can just submit it, so we will not wait for the rest of the people. Bullet rewards cheap tricks rather than deep thought. I mean, yeah, kind of, yeah. It's fun, it's practically a different game. Exactly, I mean, it's fun. I really get a lot of fun when I play Bullet. Joey B, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. make your point a little stronger, bullet favors rapid recognition and recall. Yeah, I mean it's somehow it's also turns out that for example a pattern recognition for the bullets, for example. But honestly, yes, on yesterday night we have 12 people playing bullet tournament, and yeah, I mean it was quite fun, honestly. We have 90 minutes, not 90 minutes, 1 hour maybe long. Yeah, we have 1 hour long probably. Maybe we can choose 90 minutes for the other people also. I mean, it was quite fun, honestly. How frequent were mates? Okay, Matthew also joined this one. You can find some good moves in classical, but in bullet you can find yourself timeout. Exactly. I mean, you just maybe sometimes it gets getting that you just need to move. Okay, that's not perfectly move. That's not maybe the best move, but you just make some moves at least. That was majority of the bullet games and on time. Yeah, exactly. But we have really fun yesterday night. I mean, if you join, I mean, it will be really great. And when I stream also before the tournament starts in 30 minutes tonight, and I mean, I don't know, it's fun. I like to play chess. I like to play bullet first of all, and try to improve it. But sometimes when I try to play in stream, my browser just goes crazy. I think 3+2 Blitz hits the sweet spot, but I will play bullet if that's what we will be doing. Yeah, I mean, it will be nice since there are a lot of people, so a lot of people can play for the other people's for most of the times. And yeah, it would be nice. I mean, I'm playing for fun, so I don't have a good record for the bullet section, but yeah. I mean, we probably play in 3 or 4 hours right now, which is 5 p.m. right now in Turkey. We probably play 9 p.m. or 9:30 we start. It will be 1 or 90 minutes long tournament. Yeah, it will be. I think it's quite fun. You can add me on as a friend on Lichess also. You can follow me on Lichess also, which is the same name, username for the Twitch username. I mean, why not? It will be quite fun, I think. Okay, we are now 40 seconds left here. JB, Firefox, Matthew and Kantoran also joined this one. That's nice. Yeah, Clash is completed right now. And this is where I get, I mean, it's a very easy question, honestly. You just need to calculate time, which is distance divided by speed, which is, of course, you need to write it as a floating point division, floating point result, and just get the minimum, calculate the minimum of it, and you just need to multiple with 60 as a minute, calculate as a minute, and round with it with the closest integer value. That was probably all the test case here. And it passed all the test cases, and this is the first things that comes to my mind, and yeah. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. I mean, as you requested, I have selected only the shortest mode. Since you want this, who am I to judge, I mean. Okay, so updated my command, so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. Since this is the, by the way, if some of the people didn't know the shortest mode, you just need to write shortest code possible for the this kind of questions. For example, some programming languages also have an advantage for that, but it is completely normal, I think. Wow, we have now 9 people. Andrew, welcome. The thing, what unreadable madness. I am new to programming. Welcome, you're in the definitely right place so far. Oh, I am looking for the wrong person, honestly. No, he's not unlucky. I mean, we all started at the same way. We all here to improve our coding skills, so I know you're joking, but customized Clash of Code can have more than 8 players. Yeah, exactly. It can be 800 probably at top. I mean, if I remember correctly, it's the maximum number of can be in a private clash will be 100. Yeah, it says here number of players 10, which is the 100 seats here. It wasn't starting in the golf in 15 minutes lobby. No, I mean, we can start right now. We are only 10 people. Okay, let's launch the code, for example. Oh, he meant unlucky in the golf. Oh, in that this is a golf round. Oh, okay, now I understand. You can learn some things, but there are things you probably shouldn't learn. Exactly. Okay, this is the short mode. Let's check it out. The long first iteration to put payload to pay kilogram into orbit. A rocket needs F is E minus times C kilogram of fuel. C is being the cost of fuel for each kilogram of payload. Second iteration, to lift the additional mass of F kilogram, the rocket needs an extra F2 F multiplied by C kilogram of fuel. Third iteration, to lift on the additional mass of F2 kilogram, the rocket needs an extra F2 times C fuel, etc. On each iteration, the weight of the rockets is more and more precise. Given K and the mass of payload in the orbit, see the cost of fuel for each kilogram of it and a number of iterations. Find the mass of the rocket. So every iterations. Wait a second. For example, for this one, I just need to Is calculation like that? For example, 1000 and 1000 and multiple by a half, which is the 500 total, and the 500 left, and the left calculate multiplied by this one also, and increase that one. For example, is there any 3 iterations? If it is 1, it is 2, yeah, something like that. Maybe you just need to find all of them like that. 100 iterations, oh my goodness. Rounded to nearest integer. Okay. Is rounded to nearest integer. Double 0 4 power e less than n e plus plus, and of course that's not the case here, which is t should be t here, which is the start of it, and I just need to write, maybe I just need to write here as a one line solution. I deleted line here, which is the round. Yeah, it is really, I mean, hey, what should I do here? And t plus equal e times c, probably. Let's play all test cases, for example. So if it is work or not. 2 iterations. Oh, I should increase that one. E is minus equal e times c. What is p here? Integer. What is c? Float. All test case again. What? Yeah, but this casting kills me probably. Hmm. Yeah, probably this one is killing me. F and we should use T here. Because T is the... Need to shave 3 more characters to beat Alice. Yeah, 61 character, I mean... I couldn't see this even solving this one perfectly. What is wrong with it? The previous one. A is int. I mean, for example, like that. But that break the rules. I mean, yeah, exactly. I just need to want to it. Maybe I just need to get it at a double, for example. This one might be beatable in languages where you don't have to deal with floats or integers separately. I mean, yeah, but not possible with C#, in C#, honestly. I couldn't even solve this one perfectly. What am I doing wrong here? What am I doing wrong here? Same, 2 to go. I believe in you guys. You can beat Alice. I mean, I believe in you. I just need to... No, that's not the case here. What am I doing wrong exactly? I mean... Let's change int. Oops. I close this one. But what's the previous one? Maybe I just not calculate like this, for example. Yeah, I just may change it to double here. Is this one works? Let's play this one. For 2 iterations is 500 and so this one is generate 500 and how can this one generate font 100? Oh, Andrew Soul. Oh, passed this one. That's nice. This is so ugly. I couldn't even solve this one. What am I missing here? Am I did misunderstand the question, honestly? Looks like I am. And what is... What is P here? Oh, that's not the case here. No, that's it should this is wrong. This is wrong, yeah. Should be this one. Okay, I have oops for the last test case. New rocket maybe. Looks like I am still doing something wrong. Okay, after 3 hours streaming, I mean, my brain just stops work. It's 58 character. Oh my goodness, Caillou. Wow. Yeah, I mean, my brain just doesn't work right now. Yeah, I really couldn't even see the anything related somehow. Yeah. Is the space after the pay in the second line required? Yes. Okay. I am completely... Honestly, I mean... What? Clash is completed and cannot be restarted. Okay, let's refresh the page. What? My just doesn't even loading the... Oh my goodness, again? Oh yeah, this is right now, so this one. Wait a second, did I just miss the... How can I increase it with the value? I mean, this is not the question is about. I mean, every time, every iteration, I just need to the product of the with C and what is left in the P. Isn't that the question is about? I mean, okay, I should check the other people's code also. I mean, so at least that I can understand it. Oh, there's an append. Oh, I just need to calculate all the values here. Mantas, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Neden hiç Türkçe konuşmuyorsun? Çünkü bu İngilizce bir yayın aslında ama chatte Türkçe yazan arkadaşlara da Türkçe cevap verebiliyorum. İngilizce bir yayın çünkü bu. Yeah, I just need to calculate the previous ones. Oh, okay. That's nice. Let's check Kayu's code also. Yeah, that seems nice. I mean, it is fun question. I think difficulties, perfect statements, and test case relevancy are ideal. As you can see, I mean, we have been more competitive when we are solving shorts mod. Looks like. That's nice. The formula is for sum of the n terms of the geometric series. Yeah. I feel like there's a formula here. Yeah. Exactly. See Kayu's code and message. One rounding here. Yeah. And C here. C is the how many times? Oh no, not the ratio here. 1 minus C power of n plus 1 divided by 1 minus C. And yeah, that's nice. I mean, it's a very nice question, by the way. Honestly, I really like this one. I really like this approach, by the way, also. That's nice. So, okay, guys, as I said, I mean, almost 3.5 hours right now, and I'm a little bit tired, honestly. Thank you so much for joining me today. I mean, here's my social accounts, my Twitter and my YouTube channel as well. You can check it. And we have our Discord channel, as I typed it in the chat also. And we have a little bit contest which ends tomorrow, which is fall challenge, which I will gift one of my viewers to which Udemy course they want. You can see the Gleam.io link in the chat right now. You can join with that link if you want. And thank you so much for all. I mean, Kayu, Andrew, Alice, Lopidao, Atomic, Programmer, JB, Firebox, and Andrew, Sobun, and whoever I didn't, Lopidao, and Earthcrawler, Mantas, and who joined my stream today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to support my channel as well, as there's a as you can see here, I have a subscription goal, which is the 4 days left, and I only my goal is to get at least 5 subscribers in 4 days. Last of the day, sorry, what is last of the day? No, that's not last of the day. We will stream in probably 3 or more hours later in chess stream. Okay. Next stream is chess, exactly. I mean, next stream is chess. And I will rate some Kademila called people. He looks like he is streaming something like he seems like very reasonable streams, bit shifting and array manipulation in Minecraft data. He seems nice. I mean, it's a quite doable, I think. You will like him. Again, As I said, thank you for the follow, thank you for all the supports to me. I mean, I really appreciate that, guys. As I said, in 3 or 4 hours, we have a chess stream, bullet tournament on lichess.org. If you're familiar with chess, you can always join the stream and play bullet matches together. I mean, it's quite fun, honestly. And thank you so much. See you later tonight. Bye bye.
So this is very, very easy.